Xiaomi V600 Mini 4 Pro 8K drone, dual HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, GPS, brushless motors, foldable long endurance quadcopter. Experience the skies like never before with the Xiaomi V600 Mini 4 Pro, a powerful, compact, and foldable drone designed for both amateur enthusiasts and professional aerial photographers. Equipped with cutting-edge features like 8K HD dual cameras, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Key features overview: ultra-compact, foldable design, portable and under 250 grams for travel convenience and no registration needed in many countries. GPS plus optical flow positioning, delivers precise, stable flight and intelligent return functions. Front 8K HD camera plus bottom optical flow camera, wide angle and adjustable for multiple angles. Brushless motors, 1503, powerful, quiet, and durable for long-term use. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, avoids collisions automatically for safer flights. 5G Wi-Fi real-time FPV, crystal clear video feed up to 3,000 meters range. 20-minute flight time, with a high-capacity modular battery. RGB LED lights plus spotlight for spectacular night flying. Advanced camera system, the V600 Mini 4 Pro sets a new benchmark in aerial imaging. 8K Ultra HD front camera, captures stunning ultra-resolution photos and videos. Wide 120 degrees field of view, shoot landscapes, architecture, and action scenes with ease. Remote tilt adjustment, 90 degrees, change angles in flight for dynamic perspectives. Bottom optical flow camera, helps stabilize hovering and captures top-down views. ICE electronic image stabilization, reduces shake, delivers smooth footage. 50x digital zoom, capture fine details from high altitude. Dual lens switching, for seamless transitions between front and bottom views. Supports vertical and top-down shooting, perfect for creative and commercial filming. Flight control and intelligent functions. Fly smarter with built-in automation and precision control. GPS auto return, automatically returns to home on low battery or signal loss. Waypoint flight. Draw a custom path in the app, and the drone follows it automatically. Orbit mode. Circle around a subject for cinematic shots. Gesture photo, video. Take selfies with simple hand gestures. Headless mode. Orient the drone based on your position, ideal for beginners. Altitude hold. Locks height for smooth, stable hovering and filming. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, detects objects from all directions using smart sensors. Follow me mode, drone follows your movement automatically for active shooting. LED flight lights, stylish and functional for orientation and night flying. Battery and performance, high capacity battery, 3.7 volts 2000 mAh Li-ion. Flight time, up to 15 to 20 minutes. Charging time, approximately 90 minutes. 5G Wi-Fi transmission range, up to 3,000 meters. Control distance, up to 3,000 meters, no interference. Motors, brushless 1503, efficient and durable. Design and build, lightweight and foldable. Compact enough to fit in a backpack. Weight less than 250 grams. Avoids drone registration in most countries. Integrated RGB gradient lights plus spotlight, boosts visibility at night. Durable plastic and metal build, tough enough for frequent use. Travel friendly. Everything you need in one portable package. Design and build, lightweight and foldable. Compact enough to fit in a backpack. Weight less than 250 grams. Avoids drone registration in most countries. Integrated RGB gradient lights plus spotlight, boosts visibility at night. Durable plastic and metal build, tough enough for frequent use. Travel friendly. Everything you need in one portable package. What's in the box? 1 volt 600 Mini 4 Pro drone, foldable. 1 remote controller, USB rechargeable. 1 3.7 volts 2000 mAh drone battery. 1 USB charging cable. 1 built-in HD camera. 1 user manual. 2 Wi-Fi setup guides. 1 screwdriver. 8 spare propellers. Why choose the Xiaomi V600 Mini 4 Pro? GPS plus optical flow, ultra-precise flight, safe return. 8K HD plus dual camera professional grade aerial photography. 20-minute flight time long enough for creative sessions. Beginner-friendly controls simple interface, one-key commands. 5G Wi-Fi FPV smooth, long-range image transmission. Smart flight modes orbit, follow me, waypoints and more. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance safer for indoor, outdoor flying. Foldable and lightweight perfect for travel and on-the-go filming. Under 250 grams no registration hassle in most countries. Perfect for content creators and vloggers. Tech gifts for kids, teens, or adults. Outdoor adventurers and travelers. Houses real estate professionals and property shoots. Hobbyists and drone beginners who want pro features.